Hi, my name is Sicheng Wu, and this is my cloud app development assignment design. This project is a serverless movie cast system built with AWS. It allows users to retrieve actor information, view movie roles, and edit new roles using a REST API. Let's start with actor search. Here, I can search an actor by ID. For example, I type one and see the Morgan Freeman. And when I add movie ID, it shows his role in the movie. And I can also add a language, for example, French. You can see this is all translated into French um, using Amazon translation. For example, it is translated into French. Mm. Okay, now let's move on to movie roles. This section shows all roles for a specific movie. Uh, the system requires DynamoDB using the movie ID as a key. For example, I type one. You can see this is all the roles in movie one. I type two. This is all the movie roles in two. I can also add a actor ID. For example, I type two. It's the main character of the, the Redemption of Shawshank. I type one. You can see this is the role for actor one. Um, Okay, now let's move on to our add row. And here I can add a new row. This sends a post request to the API. The endpoint is protected using a API key. Mm, For example, I can type movie ID, I can type one. The actor ID will also be Morgan Freeman. The role name will be uh students, year four students, for example. The role description will be coding, and when you type submit, you see this is added, successfully added. And when you search, remove friend. When you search again, you can see the row has changed. When you search it again, you can see the row has also changed. Um, so actually, you can see the row has been added successfully. Now let's move on to our DynamoDB table. It uses a single table design, movies, uh, movies. You can see this is the movies, actors, and roles are stored together. For example, this M2 means the movie two. You can see the overview and relay states. The actor one, this represents an actor, the Morgan Freeman. The M2, the combination between M and A, you can see his role. Mm, and now let's move on to our API gateway. You can see it defines all the points I'm using in this assignment, all the get and post methods. Each endpoint is connected to a Lambda function, and the post endpoint, as you can see, it required a API key, and this that doesn't require an API key. So, in summary, this project demonstrates a serverless architecture using AWS. It includes a REST API, DynamoDB single table design, and integration with a React frontend. It also includes additional features such as translation and API security. Thank you.